Hi, this is Richesh, your mentor on digital marketing from School of Techies. Digital marketing எல்லாருக்குமே ரொம்ப ஃபெமிலியரான ஒரு விஷயம். நம்மள சுத்தி இருக்கிற எல்லா இடத்துலயுமே இருக்கு. Social media, Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn இந்த மாதிரி இடத்துல எல்லாம் you're going to be present all the time. Digital marketing is one of the most growing fields in the world. Digital marketing என்ற ஒரு கான்செப்ட் வந்து it's been here for like more than 20 plus years. But digital marketers in India is pretty less. And that is why you have to choose digital marketing. You will be taking care of social media, you will be taking care of search engines, which is Google, Bing, Yahoo, in the many places. And you will be taking care of websites, you will be taking care of emails, you will be taking care of conversions, you will be taking care of reputations and all those things from just through your laptop. People who want to learn more about digital marketing and build a field into it, your opportunity is right here. Our batch starts next week and you can enroll right now and join the course.